Welcome back, everyone. Serena Mingle here at the Adorned Locket. You guessed what time it was, right? It's time to unbox Potomac Beads Best Bead Treasure Edition subscription bead box for the month of December. But before we do, please check out that description link below. It will navigate easier for you to find those subscription boxes on Potomac's website. Let's get started. All right, let's check this out. It's a Winter Luminescence treasure box. Here's all the contents inside. Let's get this dumped out here for you. All over. Oh, looks like we got a spool of some sorts. Okay. Let me get these all organized. So it looks like we've got an ornament, a laser cut ornament form. Front and back. There is a protective coating on that. Okay. We've got some check glass Christmas trees, both green shades. I love these. Guess what? The top set does fluoresce under black light. So these are uranium check glass right here. Love those. I've also got some heavy check pearl petals. They are 22 millimeters. Those are gorgeous. Now the holes run horizontally at the very top of the petals. Okay. Those are beautiful. I don't have any of these, so that's a first very unique item there. Then we've got the check spike white colored. They look like cones, but they're spike beads. Now these are drilled right here towards the base of the spike horizontally. Cool. Then we've got two colors of check faceted round beads. These are 5 millimeters in size. You've got green and you've got like a teal. Both look like they kind of have an AB finish coating. These are neat. These are the, what are these? Check glass angel wings. They kind of look like a rainbow shape, an arch shape, and they look like they kind of interlock if you stack them as they come on this right here. Those are very cool, different. Okay, and then what's the next bead? We've got 2 millimeter Potomac pearls, a strand of those. Okay, those come in handy when you're doing very small peyote work or following patterns. And then we've got the metal spacer beads, 2 by 3 millimeter. Those look to be 24 karat rose gold plated. Those are beautiful. Nice and bright and shiny. And we've got a pair of leverback ear wires. Okay. I believe those are silver plated over brass. And on this spool, we've got some beading cable, Potomac beads. Size, its diameter is 0.018 inches, and you get 0.46 millimeters there. It's 5 millimeters to 16.4 feet. Here's what it looks like. It's great for making your bracelets, your necklaces. Okay. Really cool check glass mix here of beads. You get all kinds of shapes. Looks like you've got some cathedral cuts. I ran the fluorescent black light over this. Some of these do fluoresce, so they're going to contain uranium and fluoresce, those lighter cathedral cuts that you see mixed in this bag. I love these. There's all kinds of little things in there. You got the reds and the greens. Then we've got some cool Ava beads. I've never seen beads like this before. So these are double drilled horizontally. And these are interesting. Those come in the color, I believe these are emerald green, okay, for your Ava beads you get here. Then we've got some check rondelle nuggets. These are transparent red color. These are really pretty. Very festive colors we've got going on here. Then you've got some twist nuggets, check glass twist nuggets. They come in green, red, and white mixture in the color here. Those are really pretty. All right. We've got some smooth rondelles. You get quite a bit of these. They almost look like little donuts. And then we've got some check glass round, 6 millimeter. Looks like a touch of lavender, really pretty and clear in there. And then you've also got the check glass round 4 millimeter beads. These are a really pretty yellow translucent color. And these are so interesting. Check glass puffed coins. Now these are 14 millimeter in size. They are double-sided. Got kind of a textured look to them. Love those. You get a 10 millimeter Potomac Crystal Rivoli in the color Mystic Sapphire. That's so pretty. The camera's not doing this one justice. Really pretty. I love using these for my peyote work. You also get a tube of the Miyuki Seed Silver Lined Ruby colored glass beads here. They are size 11-0 in this tube. You've got 6mm spring clasps here as far as jewelry findings go. A 3-strand tube clasp, which is cool. It's really pretty. And one of my favorite tools to use, this is a bead stopper. And the way you use that is you pinch it and you put your cord so it stops your beads from coming off as you're creating or building your items. Love that. Looking forward to using that all the time. So these are all the items. Again, some of them fluorescent or black light. A lot of check glass mix, a lot of festive colors. Again, check out that description link below. It will send you to Potomac's website and you can check out for yourself all the wonderful things that Potomac Beads has to offer. Don't forget to stay tuned for what I create with this month's subscription Treasure Edition bead box. I look forward to seeing you guys again. Thanks so much and take care.